Pull the base to remove the toolhead front cover. Remove the silicone sock for Hotend. Open the buckle and remove the Hotend. Remove the 4 screws. Gently pull the extruder forward a little. Remove the toolhead rear housing. Disconnect the Hotend heating assembly cable and part cooling fan cable. Push the right cable cover backward and remove it. Remove the cables from the cable channel. Remove the 3 screws. Remove the Hotend heating assembly. Install the new Hotend heating assembly and align the clip. The top should be against the white line on the toolhead. Install the 3 screws. Use the tweezers to push the cables into the clip and pass the cables through the cable channel. Push the cable cover back. Put the extruder back in place and install the 4 screws. Install the Hotend and tighten the buckle. Install the silicone sock for Hotend. Install the toolhead front cover. Reconnect the cables. Align the 2 brackets upwards and install the toolhead rear housing.